Supercharge your education business and spend less time on the small stuff with TCommerce. Looking to sell more in less time? Get access to a suite of proven time-saving selling solutions. Embrace the power of choice by offering Buy Now, Pay Later, which has been proven to increase your average order value. Group orders let you sell in bulk directly from your checkout, increasing every order's value, saving you valuable time by removing manual workarounds and streamlining your bulk sales. Why stop there? With gifting, turn your courses and digital products into the perfect gifts, expanding your reach and unlocking new audiences. Dread sales tax? Automated tax solutions ensure you can focus on what matters most to you, whether that's scaling your business or spending more time with your family. And at the heart of it all, Thinkific Payments, your one-stop solution for managing payments, refunds, and subscriptions without the need for third-party processors. But don't just hear it from us. Our customers have seen up to a 22% increase in their order value using TCommerce. TCommerce. Sell more, spend less time doing it, and watch your business soar.